Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P0237 for the Honda CR-V 2023 Plus indicates an issue with the turbocharger boost sensor circuit, specifically a low voltage reading. This code is triggered when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects that the output voltage from the turbocharger boost sensor is below a predefined threshold. The turbocharger boost sensor plays a crucial role in measuring the pressure of the air entering the engine. It informs the PCM about the boost levels to optimize engine performance and efficiency. Thus, if the sensor readings are inaccurate, it affects the engine's combustion process, which can lead to poor performance or increased emissions. The affected components primarily include the turbocharger boost sensor itself, the external circuits connecting the sensor to the PCM, and the PCM, which interprets the signals for proper adjustment of engine parameters. The turbocharger boost sensor is a vital component located in the intake manifold of the Honda CR-V 2023 Plus, responsible for measuring the amount of air entering the engine. It sends voltage signals to the PCM regarding boost pressure levels. The PCM, powertrain control module, uses this data to adjust fuel injection and ignition timing for optimal performance and efficiency. If the boost sensor's output voltage drops below 0.23 volts, the PCM interprets this as a malfunction, triggering the DTC P0237. The incorrect voltage reading can lead to improper engine performance and fuel inefficiency, which makes this a critical issue to address. Understanding the locations and functions of these components is essential in successful troubleshooting. The DTC P0237 can arise from several potential causes. The most common issue is a faulty turbocharger boost sensor, which may be unable to provide accurate voltage readings. It could be damaged or aged, affecting its performance. Another possibility includes electrical connection problems, such as corroded or loose connectors between the sensor and the PCM, leading to unreliable signals. Furthermore, a short circuit in the circuit wiring, usually due to wear or tear, can also result in low voltage readings. Lastly, in rare cases, a malfunction in the PCM itself may cause the DTC to trigger, as it may fail to process the boost sensor signals correctly, necessitating careful inspection of all related components before concluding that the PCM is at fault. When encountering DTC P0237, drivers may experience a range of symptoms that indicate potential engine problems. One of the most noticeable symptoms is reduced engine performance. The vehicle may feel sluggish or unresponsive during acceleration. Similarly, a decrease in fuel efficiency might occur as the engine struggles with improper air intake readings, leading to suboptimal combustion. The illumination of the check engine light is another common symptom, serving as a warning from the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system. Additionally, drivers might notice issues with boost pressure, resulting in a lack of power when accelerating. Recognizing these symptoms early can help address the root cause of the DTC and ensure the vehicle operates smoothly. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0237, begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows you to access the vehicle's electronic systems and gather the necessary diagnostic information. Using a diagnostic tool, check the output voltage of the turbocharger boost sensor. A reading below 0.23 volts indicates that the failure is indeed replicated in the system, confirming the existence of an anomaly. If the voltage is normal, the issue may lie elsewhere, requiring further inspection and testing of related components. Ensuring accurate voltage readings is critical in diagnosing the underlying problem effectively. The second troubleshooting step involves inspecting the turbocharger boost sensor to determine its functionality. With the sensor connector disconnected, verify the output voltage while the ignition is in the on position. The sensor should output around 5.0 volts under normal conditions. If you observe a normal reading, the sensor is likely faulty, warranting its replacement. However, if the reading is abnormal, the issue might reside in other components or wiring associated with the sensor. Ensuring all connections are secure and free from corrosion can often resolve the problem before further inspection becomes necessary. During the third troubleshooting step, begin by disconnecting the PCM connector and proceed to inspect the VCC2 and P3 circuits associated with the turbocharger boost sensor. Before this, ensure to jump the service check select line using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, and wait for more than a minute for accurate readings. Conduct the inspection on the female terminals of both the turbocharger boost sensor connector and the PCM connector. For the VCC2 circuit, you should find resistance readings of less than 1 ohm, indicating continuity. In contrast, the P3 circuit should present resistances greater than 1 megaohm. Any deviation from these expected values indicates a problem within the electrical circuit, requiring further investigation and possible repairs. In the final step of troubleshooting for DTC P0237, focus on inspecting the PCM itself. If previous inspection steps indicated normal conditions for both the turbocharger boost sensor and the associated circuits, the PCM is likely the remaining component to evaluate. Carefully examine the PCM for any signs of damage, moisture, or faulty connections that could affect its operation. A malfunctioning PCM could misinterpret input signals or fail to execute the necessary outputs, hence contributing to the persistence of DTC P0237. If all other components check out, while the PCM appears to be the last culprit, consider replacing or reprogramming the PCM to resolve the issue. After completing all repairs and diagnostic tests related to DTC P0237, it's vital to conduct a final verification to ensure the issue has been addressed. Begin by checking for any stored DTCs. If DTC P0237 is still present, further investigation into the repairs made may be necessary. Next, perform a test drive of the vehicle under various conditions to ensure that the engine operates smoothly and within expected performance parameters. During the test drive, monitor sensor functions and vehicle responsiveness to confirm that the turbocharger boost sensor is now providing accurate data to the PCM. Proper verification ensures that the DTC has been resolved and that the vehicle operates as intended without triggering the check engine light. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0237 in your Honda CR-V 2023 Plus, it is essential to establish a routine maintenance schedule. Regularly check the turbocharger boost sensor and its associated wiring for any signs of wear, damage, or corrosion, which can disrupt electrical signals. Keeping electrical connections clean and secure will help maintain reliable voltage readings. Additionally, conducting periodic evaluations of the PCM as part of your vehicle's routine maintenance can help catch issues early. It may also be beneficial to periodically test the health of various sensors to ensure they are performing optimally, allowing the engine to operate efficiently and mitigating issues before they trigger diagnostic trouble codes. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0237, which involves low voltage in the turbocharger boost sensor circuit, is crucial for the effective maintenance of your Honda CR-V 2023 Plus. Identifying the roles of the turbocharger boost sensor, PCM, and their electrical connections helps in diagnosing the problems systematically. Potential issues leading to this code range from faulty sensors to short circuits or PCM failures. Following a structured approach to troubleshooting, beginning with basic voltage checks and moving through to circuit inspections and PCM evaluations, is essential for accuracy. Regular maintenance routines, including checking of electrical connections and sensor conditions, will help prevent the recurrence of such DTCs, ensuring an efficient and reliable vehicle performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.